I am going to show you how to put a bracelet on with one hand. To do this hack, you will need a hair tie and a bracelet. It's just that simple. Step 1, put the hair tie around your wrist. Do this on the wrist you want the bracelet on. Step 2, get your bracelet. This one has adjustable links. Step 3, tuck the clasp end of the bracelet underneath the hair tie. Make sure it's nice and secure with a little bit to grab onto later. Then wrap the bracelet around your wrist. Once it's around your wrist, tuck the other end underneath the hair tie as well. Once both ends are underneath the hair tie, you'll be able to grab the clasp and do up the bracelet. Super easy. Lastly, pull the hair tie off of your wrist. Voila, it is that easy. You've just put a bracelet on with one hand. You should be able to undo it without the hair tie. The same method works for a tennis bracelet clasp as well. Tuck one end underneath the hair tie and then wrap the bracelet around your wrist, tucking in the other end as well. Then press the two ends together and you'll be able to do up the clasp. Then just take off the hair tie. This is a super simple method that works on most bracelets. Make sure you save this hack for your next wrist stack.